Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore email security in Gmail after suspicious login alerts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your Gmail account using your usual credentials. Once logged in, check for any security alerts at the top of your inbox. If you see a message indicating a suspicious login, click on it for more details. Review the information provided about the login attempt, including the location and device used. If the login was not you, proceed to change your password immediately. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. Navigate to the Security tab on the left sidebar. Click on Password and enter your current password. Next, set a new, strong password that is at least 12 characters long. Incorporate upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. After updating your password, enable two-step verification for added protection. Return to the Security tab and find the option for two-step verification. Click on it and follow the prompts to set it up using your phone. You may choose to receive codes via text message or use an authentication app. Once two-step verification is enabled, review your account recovery options. Make sure your recovery phone number and email address are current and accessible. Next, scroll to Recent Security Events to review any unusual activity. If you see unauthorized devices or events, remove them from your account. Lastly, regularly monitor your account for any further suspicious activity. Take advantage of Google's Security Checkup tool for ongoing protection. This tool will help you evaluate your account's security settings and make necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can secure your Gmail account after a suspicious login alert. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.